Ethereum price may keep dropping for this major reason. Analyst says this. Let's talk about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Let's talk about this. Okay, now, why Ethereum may face steep price correction. Now, the number of new Ethereum wallets set up per day, and this was from the chart Analyst Martinez, has plunged significantly during the past 24 hours. That is more than 50% decline overall. Now, the analysis stated that if the amount of new wallets created on any blockchain plummets, it usually means that a big price correction may be on the horizon over time. That could happen. However, the SEC takes Ethereum under US jurisdiction. Now, SEC Chief Gary Gensler said that Ethereum's under US jurisdiction, if it falls under there, which means that security laws can be applied to. Now, should the second biggest crypto be treated as a security, then ETH holders will have to report directly to the SEC and be taxed accordingly. All right? This means, or this statement by Gensler could, however, cause a massive overflow of Ethereum centralized trading platform, especially ones that are located in the United States, Coinbase, Bittrex, etc. So we're gonna have to wait and see what happens with the Ethereum, and also if this price keeps dropping for several reasons that we just talked about. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Click on the link below, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.